The hybrid revolution just hit a major milestone. For 2026, Toyota is making a bold move with its top-selling SUV in America. The Toyota RAV4 is now hybrid only. While hybrid models already accounted for a significant chunk of RAV4 sales, the 6th-generation RAV4 ditches the traditional gas-only option entirely in favor of a more electrified lineup. The new RAV4 lineup kicks off with a standard hybrid powertrain, but drivers looking for more power and efficiency can opt for a plug-in hybrid, PHEV model, formerly known as the RAV4 Prime. The conventional hybrid system still uses a 2.5-liter inline-4, but now delivers 226 horsepower with front-wheel drive and 236 horsepower with the upgraded AWD system, which adds a third electric motor for rear-axle propulsion. The plug-in hybrid model steps things up with 320 horsepower, up from 302, and a longer EV-only range of 50 miles, an 8-mile increase over the outgoing version. Select PHEV trims like the XSE and Woodland also gain DC fast charging via a CCS port, offering 10 to 80% charging in about 30 minutes. Towing capacity has also been upgraded. 3,500 pounds for most AWD hybrid and plug-in hybrid models, 1,750 pounds for FWD hybrid and LE-AWD trims. This makes the 2026 RAV4 one of the most capable compact hybrid SUVs for light-duty towing. Redesigned inside and out. While the RAV4's exterior hasn't been radically overhauled, it now sports a sleeker, more modern design. A new hammerhead headlight design inspired by recent Toyota models, and LED taillights stretching across the tailgate give it a fresher look, while rugged styling elements like black cladding remain. Inside, the cabin adopts a cleaner, more minimalistic layout, with updated materials and fewer physical buttons. Climate controls have shifted to a mix of touchscreen and lower screen buttons, and select trims now feature a shift-by-wire gear selector that frees up space in the center console. Toyota now categorizes RAV4 trims into 3 distinct families: Core models, LE, XLE, Limited. Clean, no-nonsense styling and hybrid-only powertrains. Rugged models, Woodland. Off-road inspired with all-terrain tires, standard AWD, unique grille design, and optional PHEV power. Sport models, SE, XSE, and new GR Sport. Aggressive looks and tuned suspension. The all-new GR Sport leads the pack with bold aero, 20-inch wheels, summer tires, and comes standard with a 320 horsepower plug-in hybrid setup. The 2026 RAV4 embraces more tech than ever, offering improved connectivity features and driver assistance systems across the board. Expect updated infotainment with more screen real estate, connected services, and advanced safety tech standard on all trims. Official pricing hasn't dropped yet, but expect a modest price bump across the lineup due to the hybrid-only shift. Early estimates suggest base LE, approximately $34,000 GR Sport PHEV, likely above $51,000. Toyota says full pricing and specs will be released closer to the RAV4's on-sale date later in 2025. Final thoughts. With this move, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 becomes the first mainstream compact SUV in the US to go fully hybrid, signaling a major shift in what buyers can expect from future Toyota models, and the SUV segment at large. More power, more range, and more capability, all while cutting back on fuel use? That sounds like a win.